Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. I feel like I should reintroduce myself. It's Laura. Hi. Hello. I have really no excuse other than I just have not been motivated. I'm like crouched down in like the most awkward like hobgoblin way, but it's been a while. I have really no excuse other than I've just been really not motivated to put on makeup or do my makeup, and I'm hoping that this video, this thing, will help kind of spark some joy back into that. But I've been really I've fallen in love with some other hobbies, and I'm planning on maybe doing a get ready with me and kind of telling you about what I've been doing and everything like that. But yeah, I figured maybe in this video we're just gonna go ahead. I painted this armoire type thing. I'm not even in frame. I painted this like armoire thing a weekend ago. So I'm actually at my house, and I'm going to be painting that. I don't know if you can see that thing. That's actually, I'm going to be holding my makeup in that now. I just want to paint it white so it kind of goes with everything in my office. So yeah, I thought it would be cool to take you along the journey of that. So this is the first time I'm going to be using chalk paint, and we're outside with Bandit. It's like 88 degrees outside. It's going to be a hot day, so there is that. So I'm just going to time lapse, and that's going to be how we do this. I'm going to throw some earbuds in, and I will see you guys later. Of June whenever I do post this, but so I have some makeup organizing that I need to do. If you look inside of it, so there's nothing in there right now. I am now very backlit. There's nothing in there really. I have my eyeshadow palettes and that's it. Throw up some more ambiance, right? But yeah, I have all of my makeup in this basket here. So I need to put it all away, and I thought maybe it would be nice to just put some soft music over this video and do like an organization. I filmed one when I initially moved into my house, into this like office that I have. I did film it, but then I broke my hard drive that I had on it. So I wasn't able to actually upload it, which was very disheartening after like I spent hours like organizing all of my makeup, and now I get to do it again, and I'm so excited about it. So I think I'm just going to kind of put everything back. So I didn't film a Shop My Stash for June. I've been kind of unmotivated. So I'm just going to put everything back, and maybe eventually I'll do a Shop My Stash for June, and maybe I'll update projects soon. Who knows? Life's wild right now. So yeah, I'm not going to talk too much because I feel like this is going to be a lengthy video, or at least lengthy footage for me to edit. So we're just going to time lapse, and you can watch me put some crap away. I'll bring you guys closer though, because I know it's a little further away from this than I'd like you guys to be. So yeah, I will talk to you later. So my thought is to put foundations and primers, and like maybe I need to flip this for the other thing that I want to do. they're the same shelf, but like one side has grooves, one side's just flat. So, but on one side I think I need the grooves. We're just gonna fill it up. Well, you can't see that, can you? Oh, that looks so good. I don't know if you can really see everything. Maybe I can show you better. So I like how this looks. All back here is setting sprays, then the next here is my primers, then foundations, and then the front is concealers, and then these liquid illuminators, things that are like smaller and a little bit harder to see in this setup. Yeah, let's continue on over in this section. I'll turn you a little bit. Cool, cool. So I have no idea how to get this one organized. I wish this looked nicer. So I rearranged this little section about a week later, not even a week, like a couple days later, because it was kind of driving me bananas with like all of the palettes and everything, just kind of where they were. So this is a picture of what it's currently looking like. I have setting powders, like my things in boxes still, like the Tatcha setting powder, and then the Hourglass palettes in the very back shelf. Tucked behind that shelf is actually a like magnetic blush palette, and I believe I have my other ABH highlight palette back there. Just things that are a little bit too big to kind of put near the shelf without it making it look cluttered. The second tallest here has my bronzer powders and then my smaller containers of setting powder. Then the second closest shelf is all of my highlighters, including my Ofra trio that I have, so that's all highlights. And then the very front, since I have the most and they're in smaller packaging, are my blushes. So I have my Bare Minerals blushes to the left. I have a Fenty blush, cream blush, and then like my two pressed, or I guess my three pressed powder blushes. So that is kind of how this is looking now. I like this a lot more. There is some stuff missing out of this because I did pull a couple items for just using on the daily right now. But yeah, that is how this little section is looking now on. In here, let me zoom you guys out and then just point a little bit over. This my coworkers got me after I broke my shoulders. When I was recovering, they sent me a gift basket and this was in it, which was very nice of them. So I will keep that. Behind it, I have these Beauty Bakery sponge extras just because of the packaging's pretty large. So I just thought it could get tucked back here. Works for me. Then in here, the top drawer is not the most accessible, which is totally fine because I don't need it to be. In here, I have just kind of miscellaneous stuff. So like things to repurpose when I'm like crushing up or want to repress it into like a compact. What I use put my loose powder in that I'm currently panning, hair bands, like miscellaneous tools that I don't reach for every day, but they're there. Then in here, I have, gosh, my primers, my glitter in like mixing medium adhesive, and then liners, mascaras, and brow products, and a brow gel or something, a hair gel that I use as a brow gel back there. Then this bottom drawer is my favorite. If I can get this out easily. So this is all of my loose eyeshadows, glitters, and then like I thought that this looked better all like with those kind of cylindrical shaped ones, and then all of my round containers of like sample pot shadows and Bare Minerals and by Melolops shadows are in here. So I really like this drawer personally. It's lip products. Lip products are next, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my lip products. I'm just gonna go put this back. Just gonna tuck these in here too, because they can be put away also. My plan was to put lip products down here, and I wish I would have bought myself like a little lipstick acrylic holder, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this right now. I have like a decent amount of lip products that need to find homes, and I have no home to put them in other than this container right now. So I guess for the time being, I'm just gonna put them in this jar and call it a day. Makes more sense to put my hair ties and stuff in here. Truly the worst way to do this ever. This is not how I like this. And I don't know how to remedy this situation. I have these plastic containers, and I think I'm just gonna do what I did previously and just have them set up in here, not like upright, but just like laying inside of this. I really don't like the way that looks though. But I don't have enough lipstick holder for all of my lipstick. I'm frustrated. I wanted this to look nice. I don't hate that, but I still have so many lip products, I should say, not lipsticks. But I think I can put them all in this now, and it won't look as terrible. So, again, most of them will be tall anyway. It's not like the worst. I don't like the lip liners in there. Mostly because they just don't really fit aesthetically, but I can at least have it down here now. And then my lips liners will just awkwardly sit there, which is kind of the best I can hope for at the moment. I might order another one of these acrylic things, but right now this works. Okay, so let's just do like a quick rundown, I guess. I want to change this, but I don't know what I want to do with it quite yet, if I'm being quite honest. So we have like my base face products, so setting sprays, primers, foundations, concealers, and like liquid illuminators are all right on this like little tier thing. Then over here I have what I call my accessory face products, which are like highlight, blush, bronzer, setting powder, things that I don't necessarily need to do, but I like to do, you know? In here I have my primers, like any glitter gel, and then my liners and mascaras are in this drawer. Tools again are in this one, so super not important. My loose eyeshadows are in here, and then we have lips down in this area, and then eyes over here. I eventually want to get like a little like figurine or something to like put here so it'll look cute right there, but I don't have one right now. So we're just gonna display my Kaleidos Futurism palettes there. I then have empty magnetic palettes that you can see back here, and then I have my magnetic storage palette here, which is my baby. Then I have my perfume collection over here. Yeah, that is everything in here. This is my new makeup storage. It feels a lot more spread out because it is a lot more spread out. I mean, I still have, there's so much space in this shelf. Like, so much space. Like, I can put all of my palettes like that, which I don't hate, but the reason I wanted it this way is so I can visibly see everything easily. So I'm still like figuring out what I want to do. If I do have them all stacked, I'd want a bookend, like a nice decorative bookend to like keep it all in one location, I guess. But that is my makeup. All spread out, it doesn't seem like that much. This top portion definitely, like right here especially, seems a lot more cluttered, mostly because there's a lot of product in there. But yeah, that is everything. Thank you guys again. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!